Hi, in today's video I'll show you a simple Miya Chakhui recipe. The other recipe will be available in the another video. Let's get started. Wash bamboo shoot, add water, add chili, fermented fish and soda. Don't forget to add the soda before it starts boiling, otherwise it will be a disaster. Now let's add the salt according to your preference. Pre-soak rice and cook for 30 to 40 minutes. If it is not fresh, you need to cook for like 50 to 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. But if it is fresh, you can cook for 30 to 40 minutes. Add lemon leaves. And now let's grind the pre-soaked rice. Stir, stir and stir to shake. Now see the color, it starts turning red. We'll add the ground rice for its consistency. You can add according to the consistency. You can also add rice flour instead of grinding it. Ta-da! I forgot to say, after mixing the rice and grind, you can cook for another 5 minutes and it's ready. Nom nom nom. Bye bye.